All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the F-150. In my last video, I just did an introduction on this truck. I just bought this truck. It's 2016 F-150 XLT, black. It's got the Ecoboost 2.7, but it's got super high mileage, 265,000 miles on it. So today I'm working on, I'm gonna clay bar the paint, do a polish, and then I'll do a wax. So it's gonna be quite the process. There's a lot of paint to work on this. But I just did some scratch removal. I showed that in my last video. So now I'm just going to go through and do the clay bar, and then the polishing should get out all of kind of the swirls and very fine scratches, which there's quite a few. This is, you know, a truck with this many miles has been through the car wash quite a few times, but I went through and got out all the major scratches out of it. So stay tuned to watch that. All right, just got done clay barring the truck. It looks really good now. I'm not going to polish the hood. The hood's actually in really good shape. Like I said before, I think it recently was repainted or even replaced. So I'm really just going to do all the side, the roof, all the way around the truck. So everything but the hood's going to get polished, and then we'll go through and do a wax coat. So just using a polishing compound. This is for light to medium scratches, and then I'm using just my polisher. I got it all polished up. That took a little while. The polish took a little bit of a time to just getting it off, you know, but it looks you know, the surface is really smooth now, less scratches, less swirl marks on it. And so now I'm going to put a coat of wax on it. Meguiar's liquid wax, pure synthetic polymer. This is a decent wax, so I'm going to put that on. I'm going to use the same orbital or my polisher with that, but I have a waxing pad I'm going to use instead. So we'll get this applied, and that should wrap up the outside. Okay, got the waxing all done. Turned out really good. I think it looks, we got a lot of the imperfections out. Still not perfect, but I think for what we're shooting for, I thought that turned out pretty good. So I do have a touch-up pen coming. We're going to touch up some of these little chips on the side. And then we're going to work on, tomorrow I'm going to work on the interior, getting that kind of cleaned out, shampooing the carpets, shampooing the seats. So anyways, all right guys, well thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this found this entertaining and helpful. I'm going to put a link to the products that I used in the description in case you're looking to do the same thing. This is a pretty basic polish and wax job. Supplies weren't very much, so hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for watching.